welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the eyebrow tutorial. I kind of put it out there on Twitter to see if you guys want me to do it, and I've got the baldest eyebrows right now, but I picked this new product up. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this. This is the Primark eyebrow pencil with a powder. And I've been hearing quite a few things about this, good reviews, and I've been watching a few videos, and it does actually look really good. So I grabbed it today and I thought, why don't I kind of do a eyebrow tutorial for you guys, because I haven't done one in quite a while. So here is the product. It's the PS Pro, and this one is in the shade Tobacco. I did a swatch in Primark and I said to the lady, is this the darkest one you've got? Because I feel like this one might not be dark enough for my complexion and my hair colour. So this is the darkest one they do, so this is the one I'm going to try now. Okay, so it's actually got, like I said, it's got a pencil, so you can actually do that with it. So rather than having to sharpen everything, you can literally just twist it and it gives you pencil. And it's also in like a triangle shape, which is even better, because I think they're really good because you can kind of get a really good shape with that. So that's that bit. And then also below that you have got a powder. It's like a powder brush, and I like that gradient look with my brows. So focus, there we go. I like that gradient look with my brows, so I want to try this for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and use the pencil first. First of all, I'm just going to follow that natural line that you can see there. I'm just going to follow the natural line of the brow. Ooh, the formula is really good. Okay, so I'm just going to follow that and just get that tail put on. Just like that. And you also want to make sure you do small strokes, otherwise you're going to end up with blocky brows, should we say. Okay, and then I'm just going to start getting my shape. I actually really like this formula. Okay, so now I'm just going to try and get the tail. So I'm going to fill the tail in. Okay, so for this bit here, I'm going to use the powder, and I'm going to try and do a bit of a gradient effect. So I actually really like this, guys. I think this is really good. So I'm going to try and just do some small strokes there. Okay. I really like this, guys. You do have to be quite gentle with that powder though, because it's actually quite strong. I might even put a little bit in this tail bit. So you can definitely see a difference. I'm actually giving this a proper thumbs up. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think it's a really good product there. I think the formula is really good. The powder's awesome as well, because you can kind of put that in there and you get that nice gradient effect. So I think that's really good. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm just going to go ahead and do the other brow, just so you ain't got to be bored. Okay, so there's the brows, they're now done. Yeah, that formula is brilliant. I actually cannot believe how good that is. I think Primark have really stepped their game up there. That is I think Primark have really stepped their game up there. I think that is one of the best brow products I've ever used. This may actually be my favourite brow product going forward. I love it, and I think Tobacco is the perfect colour for me as well. It's not giving me a too light of a colour and a too dark. But I'm not finished there. I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I would completely finish my brows. So what I usually do, a bit of concealer, and I'm just gonna run that under here, just to carve them babies out a bit. Okay, and then what you do is literally just with a very light hand, you just want to kind of dab it out. So yeah, that is my finished brow routine. That's definitely the routine that I've been using the most at the moment, and I've actually that's how I do my brows. It's a really simple routine, and definitely guys, go and get your hands on one of these. It's the most easiest product I've ever used, and you've seen how easy that tutorial was. So you check them products out guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy this product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.